What are you going to show me?
Around the garden.
Oh, please, yeah.
Guys, can you move out of the way?
Land to Hand is a food access and education nonprofit. Our mission is to build a strong community food system that fosters socially just ways of accessing food. And we do that through 6 different food access programs and a myriad of education programs too.
I've been utilizing this program for 4 summers now. It's been it's a godsend. It allows us to eat healthy. It allows me to teach my son to eat healthy.
So these are golden raspberry, piece of it.
We're talking with kids about where their food comes from and eating local food. We're actually more complicated. As soon as we explain who we are to people, they're like, whoa, you do all that? And yes, we do a lot of different programs, but when we think about what we do, we really want to find the gaps.
What gaps? There's gaps.
The biggest gaps are in the more rural parts of Flathead County. We have really amazing food banks, but they can only do so much.
People come here for their weekly produce shopping, and they rely on these programs for that.
We're here to support the community when they need support. When we do that, when we destigmatize need, we actually empower and respect people more.
This would probably be the easiest one.
Perfect. Thanks, guys, for all you do.
And we love Land to Hand. They do wonderful work.
Cherries.
Cherries?
Oh, I gotta go.